Hello and welcome to Indian Asks Aussie Answers. I'm Krish.
And I'm Felicity. Today we're exploring the vibrant public festivals and events in Australia. Krish, have you had a chance to experience any of these events?
I have Felicity. I've been amazed by the diversity and energy. There are multicultural food festivals, music concerts, sports events. They really showcase rich cultural tapestry of Australia.
That's right, Krish. These events are a reflection of Australia's diverse society. Food festivals, for instance, offer a taste of cuisines from all over the world, right here in our cities.
In India, festivals are often religious or traditional in nature. While they are vibrant and colorful, the multicultural aspect of Australian festivals, though, it's quite unique. Now, what's your favorite type of event, Felicity?
I love the food festivals. They're not just about eating, they're about experiencing different cultures. You can try everything from Italian pasta to Vietnamese pho, but music concerts, they're also fantastic, showcasing both local and international talents.
Music does seem to play a big role in Australian festivals. I've noticed how genre from classical to rock to indigenous music all celebrated.
Definitely. And let's not forget about sports events. Australia has a strong sports culture, and events like cricket matches, rugby games, and the Australian Open tennis tournament draw huge crowds and create a lively atmosphere.
Sports events in Australia seem to be more than just about the sport. They're social events where people come together, share the excitement, and show their support.
Absolutely. They're about community engagement and pride. Whether you are a hardcore fan or just there for the experience, it's about being part of something bigger.
That's something that resonates with me, coming from a country where cricket is almost a religion. The sense of community in these events is quite similar.
And that's the beauty of these festivals and events. They bring people together, regardless of the background, to share their experiences and celebrate diversity.
That's interesting. Now, how about arts and film festivals?
We have plenty of those too, Krish. Events like the Melbourne International Film Festival and Sydney Festival celebrate art, cinema, and theatre, attracting talent and audiences from around the globe.
And with Australia's natural beauty, I assume outdoor festivals are quite popular too?
Absolutely. Festivals like the Falls Festival and the Byron Bay Blues Fest take advantage of our stunning outdoor venues, combining music with breathtaking landscapes.
It's fascinating how these events reflect Australia's diverse and vibrant culture. They seem to play a significant role in social and cultural life here.
Indeed, they do, whether it's celebrating a specific culture, art form, or just the joy of gathering. These festivals and events are an integral part of Australian life.
It's been a great learning about different public festivals and events in Australia. Thanks, Felicity.
My pleasure, Krish, and thank you, everyone, for tuning in. We hope this gives you a glimpse into the lively public events in Australia.
Join us next time on Indian Asks Aussie Answers for more insights into Australian culture. Until then, keep exploring and enjoying the diverse events around Australian culture. దాన్ని తెలుగులో చెప్పడానికి చాలా ఫెస్టివల్స్ కవర్ చేశామండి. చాలా రీజనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మేము గోల్డ్ కోస్ట్లో ఉంటాం కాబట్టి బైరన్ బే బ్లూస్ ఫెస్టివల్ కవర్ చేశాము. అలాగే టూంబా ఫ్లవర్ ఫెస్టివల్ నేను ఇందాక మెన్షన్ చేశాను. And also there are so many festivals in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Adelaide. There are so many festivals. I suggest that just attend these festivals. Most of the festivals are free of cost, and there's no charge for you to go in. And some of the food festivals, you go there and you purchase food there. So mostly they are free of charge. And even if they charge like $2 or $3, something like that. But my suggestion is just go, and there's so much to explore. I hope you will have a fantastic time exploring these festivals. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Bye.